Hey everyone, my name is Deja. Welcome to my channel that is based on DIY projects about planning, organizing, cooking, and home decor while saving you more money. Also, if you are new, welcome. And if you would like to join my channel, just hit that red subscribe button and also hit notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload another video. Hey everyone, so in this video, as you already seen, title is a Walmart, Target, and 5BELOW haul. Super excited. So furthermore, let's get into the video, which is going to be fall and Halloween inspired haul. So let's get right into the video. So starting off with Walmart, I got this t-shirt for sleepwear. And I have this saying all around my house, which says make today amazing. So I figured it was like super cute, and it's a sleepwear t-shirt, super cute, and it is $6.44. So I thought that was super cute. Had grabbed that, something new to wear to sleep in. And I got 4 jack-o'-lanterns. Then we'll be doing a fall/Halloween DIY project very soon, heading your way. So stay tuned, look out for that DIY project. And I got pumpkins. Also, and these jack-o'-lanterns are $1. So they also do different colors. They have the orange one, as you see, they have a blue one and a dark pretty blue one and a pink one of these. So if you need these to do projects with the color or whatever, go ahead and grab these now because they are $1 and they're selling out very quickly. The one that I did want sold out, so just keep that in mind when you're going out to get these. Grab them when you see them, because if not, come there day, week, hours, whatever it might be. When you're going shopping for these or needing these, go ahead and grab them now at your local Walmart. So anyways, I had grabbed these pumpkins for $1. Well, $1, but they're 98 cents a piece. But I grabbed these. This is for Halloween. I got one of these for Halloween colors, and I got this for the fall. And also going to be for Halloween too as well. But I grabbed these and I thought these were so cute, and especially that color tone. It is just so beautiful. So I grabbed that color, and I'll probably grab 2 more of these or 4 more of those colors depending on how I'm feeling. But I grabbed this white one as well, another white one like that. So yeah, like I said, they're just $1. They're 98 cents a piece for these small pumpkins, but I wanted these because I can put these around my house. And yeah, super excited for these. So I got this orange one. It's like a burnt orange color, a burnt light orange color top, you know, kind of like an ombre effect, but this is more of a burnt orange. Sorry, this is the more burnt orange, and then like a real, try to have like a real not tusk, but you get what I'm saying on it. So I like that, looks more realistic, so I had to grab that one. And then they give you more like a frost look kind of too. And then on the real side, I did get a real pumpkin, but a small one. So I grabbed this up. I was like, okay, this seems like a real pumpkin, not like this, but you know, actual real one. So hey, why not? So I grabbed it and grabbed it too. And then got a velvet pumpkin that was so cute, and color as well was light. I didn't want, they had dark one, but I didn't want a dark color. I wanted a more light, pretty, neutral, calm color. So I grabbed that, and it's pretty warm color. So that is all for Walmart that I end up getting. And now on to Target. So the item that I got from Target was starting off with Halloween. Yeah, we'll do Halloween. Why not? You know, the shirt. So from the shirt I got was this right here, these stamps. And these stamps you can actually, instead of using ink, you can also get water markers that you like, crayon water marker that you can get from any stores. Paint mark that on here real good, make sure the ink is really good, and on here lather it on there, and then stamp it anywhere you want to stamp it at, and you're good to go. But it has a jack-o'-lantern face, and then this one just has a regular pumpkin stamp. So I thought those are so cute. And all of these products I'm going to be telling you and showing you, I got them at the Target dollar spot section. So as soon as you go into Target, you go straight up and the Target spot is right there. So I grabbed these. Another thing I grabbed at the dollar section was these that I'm going to actually be doing for a project. So super excited about that. And I'm going to be actually having these probably on a frame. I'm going to be working on like picture frame that I'm putting on inside my house. So that, and then this is going to be put on a sign, as well as this. So these are going to be put on a sign we put on the porch. It says a welcome sign. So, and the example will probably be like this. So something like that I'll probably be doing with these. So super excited about that. So stay tuned for that little small project for the welcome sign on my porch and using these. So another project I'm going to be doing as well using these items, which is just 3, is a actual jack-o'-lantern face, and they're wooden. So I'm super excited about those as well. And these are also from the dollar spot section. So they're cute. So a DIY project is going to be using these with that. So okay, I'm super excited to see how this project is going to turn out using these products with the other products that I end up getting. So because I saw actually at Target they had this there, or like this type of style, and I was like, maybe I can make it to something else, because I didn't want to get it, because I was like, wow, I'll get something I can't make myself. So that's when I saw these, and I was like, yes, I can make that. So I'm gonna do I guess you will say like a compare and contrast. So the product that I saw at Target, of way it looks, and compare it to my DIY project, of how mine's look compared to theirs to mine's. So we'll see. So be on stay tuned, be looking for that. So as you can see, there's gonna be a lot of projects that I'm gonna be doing, DIY projects that I'm gonna be doing very, very soon for fall, Halloween, and also for Christmas as well. So like I said, if you're not following me on all my social medias, which the link is down below, and it says Linktree, click on that so you can be linked to all of the platforms that I am on currently right now. Especially on Instagram, I'm on Instagram, and on my Instagram you can be notified anything that I'm doing, posting about, getting updates about for YouTube. So I'm basically if I'm not on YouTube, I'm always over there doing a whole bunch of stuff. So follow me, so go over and follow me on my Instagram page, which is be always linked, which it'll say the Instagram little symbols right here, and then it will say at Deja'S how to DIY, and it's always gonna be down below of all my videos that I when I put out all the videos, and it's always right there. So just basically click the link down below, and it says Linktree, and you can find my Instagram page and follow me so you can be notified basically what I'm doing and what I'm getting into, so you can be like, okay, she's doing DIY for this week. Make sure I keep my notifications on so I can be notified when a video goes up. I can go watch it, that type of stuff. So also another thing is that if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can, you know, basically be informed of what goes on and turn the notification bell so that way you can be notified every time I do upload another video, which it'll be like subscription right here, subscribe. It'll be like a red button down below, and then when you click on that, or I also have a subscription button inside my actual video. Click on that, and then it will basically subscribe to my channel, and then you turn on the bell, and we turn on that bell, it'll say either personal, all, or something else. But if you put all, then you'll be notified all the time. You know, be notified all the time when my videos go up, so you won't miss any of them. So yeah, make sure you do that, guys. Make sure you do that. So furthermore, let's get back into the video. So I got these bats from Target dollar spot as well. Super excited I saw these. I had to grab them, because if not, then I was gonna be like, oh my goodness, why did I not grab these? Like, come on now, because I do not actually have no bats like these at all for Halloween. So I grabbed these because I'm gonna be doing a good project with these as well. So like I said, it's a lot of projects I'm gonna be doing for fall, Halloween, and Christmas. So if you're not, like I said, subscribe to me and follow me on my Instagrams, you're not gonna know much, people. You're not gonna know much until when you do see it or end up thinking about it. So just letting you know. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me on my Instagram page so you can be notified anytime that I'm doing anything for my for Instagram page, for Instagram profile, stories, and all that stuff over on Instagram, and come over here on YouTube when I upload my videos and things like that good stuff. So just keeping you informed and letting you know stuff. So, and the last thing I got from the Target dollar spot was this cute little light up bracelets, and they all had different settings, and they also do have different colors and different sayings on these. So I got this part right here is green but actually red, so you gotta press these to make sure the color that you do want, and also the saying that you do want as well. So this one is red, and this says trick or treat, and I thought that was pretty cool. So then this is a blue one bracelet, and it says happy Halloween. I thought that was pretty cool as well. And that is all for the Dollar Tree spot. Not Dollar Tree. It's dollar. I said the dollar. But anyways, sorry. But for the Target dollar spot section, it's all for Target basically that I got over there. So let's hop into the 5BELOW products that I got for this week. And I got these sunglasses. Bam! I thought these were so cute. Like, come on, let me put them out for you guys. Check me out. I'm so cute. Can't. I really can't, because they're just too cute. I had to grab those. Don't have none like those at all. Bill kind of wants some stylish cat kind of sunglasses, but not doing too much, but just doing a little enough. So I had to grab those. So I got those from, like I said, 5BELOW. They're talking about right now. So they also have they have different types with colors as well, other sunglasses types, styles also. So make sure you check that out. And 5BELOW, they have these colors in black, kind of black silverish color. They also have a blue, they have a pink, probably purple. You never know if you're going 5BELOW. You check it out in the sunglasses section and get you some. So you know, it's just $5. They just some $5 sunglasses, but you know, looking cute and stylish. Like, come on, boo boo, why not? Why not? And also they have men's style too, sunglasses too. So hey, and kids. So hey, there you go. Everybody can win of getting some cute, cheap, and affordable sunglasses from 5BELOW. Anyways, let's get back into the video of me telling you about the check liner. So I like it, but disclaimer is that it's off-white, but I want this to be super white, and I want it to look nice and neat and all that, and it doesn't. So I'm gonna paint over this, and we'll see how this goes. So I'm gonna paint over this my actual white, and I'm gonna paint it very, very well, so it can be very, very, very nice, crispy looking white color concept. You know, not concept, but you know, it just looks crispy, clean, and looks good, and it's white. So, but this is how it looks lit, and it's also it lights up too. So that's how it looks. It lights up. I thought that was pretty cool. I don't know if you can see it, but there you go. But yeah, it lights up. So I thought that was pretty cool. But you can see how it looks. It doesn't look good. So we're gonna be painting it white. And then the last item that I got from fourth item, the third item I got from 5BELOW. So I got 5BELOW. I got a cat scratch post for my cat, and the last item that I got, the fourth item that I got, from 5BELOW. Get my numbers and thoughts all twisted up, people. Work with me. I'm so sorry, just work with me. Anyway, so I got this, and it's a tall, as you can see, welcome sign for Halloween inspired. Thought that was so cute. Grabbed this. Don't have nothing like this, so I'm trying to get into the fall Halloween, all year long, all year round welcome sign for outside on my porch stand that I really been trying to get and want. So I saw this for $5 at 5BELOW. Grabbed it because I can't figure. I don't know if there's gonna be another one like this, or they're gonna have these stock up again if I go next week. Well, if I decide to go this week, and I was like, I don't know. So I just ran and grabbed it so I can make sure I do have one. You know what I'm trying to say. So hey everyone. So I'm back doing a fall haul with you guys, which you already seen the title, which is a Walmart, Target, and 5BELOW haul. So furthermore, let's get right into it, which is, as you can see, what I am wearing is a actual okay, anyways. This is all for this video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. As I always say, deuces, veluches.